I was born in 1999 to protect this enchanting stretch of the eastern Ligurian coast. I stand as a witness to an eternal balance between diverse forces and elements. Here, human presence is not in opposition to nature, but rather embodies an encounter that gave rise to a UNESCO cultural landscape. I am the park. Spanning 3,867 hectares, I unite the towering cliffs of the land with the deep blue of the sea. Recognized as a marine protected area in 1997, my marine territory extends across 4,591 hectares, with a coastline stretching for about 19 kilometers. I guard and preserve habitats rich in plant and animal species, keeping the biodiversity and beauty of my territory intact. My mission is to safeguard this precious heritage. At the heart of my territory, where contrasting elements harmoniously dance together, a unique synergy between land and sea emerges, creating a natural force like no other. Centuries-old forests blend seamlessly with underwater ecosystems, forming a green lung on land and a blue lung below the waves. Together, they sustain an extraordinary trove of biodiversity, with plant and animal species coexisting in balance. The delicate balance between land and sea is closely tied to environmental conservation. From sustainable agriculture to landscape protection, this region is a symbol of territorial integrity. From biodiversity conservation to environmental monitoring, this place is not just a nature reserve, but a living laboratory. Here, humans learn to connect with nature, adapt to changes, and innovate to preserve the fragile yet resilient balance of this land. At sea, local small-scale fishermen serve as the first sentinels of habitat changes. On land, the sea breeze, carried from my coasts, settles on the vineyards, giving the grapes their savory and unique flavor. These grapes are lovingly transformed by skilled hands into fine wines, just one of my many delicacies produced in my territory, each telling a story of ancient wisdom and contributing to the preservation of the landscape. My 130 kilometers of trails invite visitors from all over the world to explore my hidden treasures, allowing them to rediscover themselves in harmony with nature. Preserving the beauty of my coastal landscapes and the extraordinary biodiversity within is essential. To do so, tourism must be sustainable. Visitors must be aware of the territory's fragility, and the environment must be respected. Local communities keep their traditions alive, contributing to my preservation and recognizing the value of the ecosystem services I provide. In this laboratory for climate and social change, we come to understand the crucial interaction between humans and the environment. I, the Park of Man, am a living example of how we can coexist in balance with nature. Protecting me is an ongoing challenge, but also an exciting opportunity, one that ensures a sustainable future for ourselves and for generations to come.